Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubah Presiden Tensong habakran syakilat pathai kubor mentangasni ke arpuwe tarik nailar arjar pusau. Ulaong banakalyang kipulit kimyo yaki sakhi satar ki babyang halor ki kam khai beriau naka human trafficking hapo Kajala. Kumta ulaong baka sorkar bat katanat pulit ke syamjing hadu kata-kata ban penyo ya kita ki sakhi satar namar bashisien baka kot kala syem ya kana kam hab banwan ra ru yaki sakhi satar. Ubah Presiden ulayat hu baka kam khai beriau kadan lai benta kawai kadai nak bentaban penong merau kabaar ki khai ki khana dak ba pentrei khlam ka jingsiu neban ai khamduna ka jingsiu bat kawai pat nak bentaban penyat yaki hakikam auria ulaong bakidon ki kenhun ki bala pentebet bha hakani ka kam hendrai ki pulit kim tip tikna bat kim lap laki don shisha ne em kum kini ki kenhun.
You know, if we know how many such organized group by now they would have been in jail. The only point is you know well, because this is totally illegal. They organize among themselves mutually. How? But of course, we are following up from the police side. We are following up. But as I've already said, sometimes the moment the case is taken to the court, so lot of drawback we have because we don't have the evidence. Because see, in the court ultimately you need to produce the evidence has to be there and everything has to be and therefore we really have a very tough time for the government, especially for the police officer to do all the kind of implementation in the as far as punishment and all of this act.
Talking about the law, because earlier you said that in the previous Central Act, they do have lapses here and there. But do you think the new criminal laws somehow fill the gaps?
So yeah, that's what I'm telling you. I highlighted today because let this conference discuss, debate, and ultimately, if they can submit the proposal, be it the central criminal laws or be it the state laws, whatever, then if it is in the state, we will take it up in the cabinet, and then if it is in the government of India, again we will take up through the concern ministry. Pika dao hi chong kadi mo ka human trafficking. Playu ibai ka we ka ban kong na ki don lai 2-3 category. One is don ki jai brio ki ba ki kwa ban sim ka trafficking. Ya ki simang le ki kena bakin loki kenjam bonded labor mo kenjam bonded labor joki hadu bikin ya sanu bikin long nok kum kimrau don kum gata dan number 2 pada child labor kebatang ten tang nak kontaban bikin train nomor kampan katulok dengan kampan katulok ya kata sudah te nang tasa kabalai pada kebekas ke sexual labor kabakan ni kali kowe kabangi i belum isyer kela kaptam ito ay pada sexual labor. Ini naman ba kani is very challenging. Markidon ko mo kikinja group kibala sa long well organized. Tamba long issue tip tamba ban ong mengidat tikinabat tip don kata sa group kata gimla. Dan rin nakagani job ko na hindi pa siya find out but he kani ka bakado ko long ni naman ba ultimately la day ya sexual labor kaba main kadega min hapan aten yaki circumstances ki situation joki tu kiba involved lani kiba hapan le